I think what we're going to see, the next wave of digital transformation will be shaped by cross-sectoral partnerships and collaboration. We are moving in a telecom era that converges with cloud, converges with AI, converges with digital financial services. And this means that telcos must collaborate with sectors like finance, health, education, transport, agriculture, to build interoperable platforms that unlock cross-sector collaboration and value for the end user. Because today we are talking about smart mobility, we're talking about intelligent mobility, we're talking about digital payments, we're talking about precision agriculture, and all of those will be AI powered in the very near future. So we at Salience Consulting, we always recommend that the right shapes and models of public-private partnerships are built to make sure that governments are not only regulating, but they're convening the ecosystem and making sure that stakeholders work seamlessly together. So we advocate for building shared data platforms, we advocate for trusted AI frameworks, and making sure that sector-specific digital applications are properly regulated and governed. Salience Consulting grew up in very fast-moving and leapfrogging markets from Africa, the Middle East, and Asia, where digital transformation was not only incremental, but it was structural in the growth of these markets. So we have witnessed unique challenges. We worked in markets with very young, dynamic populations, and we've seen markets where the fragmentation was very visible in infrastructure, in policies, and in regulations. So our insights as a world-leading consultancy advisory firm, we advocate for technology neutrality, to making sure that we provide solutions that are designed for scale, designed for inclusivity, and designed for the right services to be provided. We also work a lot in the regulation and policy innovation to make sure that we structure the right sandboxes for emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, financial technology, and other emerging technologies. So we work with policymakers on designing sandboxes, qualifying solutions, and making sure the go-to-market for these solutions is properly designed. We also work a lot in transforming how telcos and other stakeholders operate. So we have a very solid practice when it comes to operating models to make sure that we have the right cloud mandates, we have the right data center structures that are compliant with local and regional policies and regulations. And we work closely with our clients to design playbooks for the next wave of technology. As we see today, we are moving away from the traditional vendor-customer model to more of a joint investment, joint innovation model. And this is where Salience Consulting is primarily positioned to bridge the gap between solution providers and end users and customers. So what we help our clients do is we help them design joint digital infrastructure platforms that are scalable, that go beyond connectivity, because they touch on other sectors, as I said, like agriculture, health, and payments. And we also ensure with our work close working relationship with governments that, we maintain their local national security standards and safeguard regulations in alliance with the local laws and regulations. We also work a lot in forming ecosystem partnerships. We have a very long and proven track record when it comes to forming public-private partnerships, and we're actually advocating for extending the public-private partnerships to PPP into a new P, where we bring philanthropy as well and the civil society into that partnership, so everybody has a voice, especially in shaping how we govern emerging technologies like AI. We also work with our clients on ensuring that we have performance-based policies and regulations. So how do we audit? How do we actually ensure compliance? Because at the end of the day, we would like to reduce the risk for our clients and reduce the compliance cost for our clients to make sure that their business models are profitable at the end of the day.